Let's talk about the motions and issues page on Trellis. That is going to be right up here, this tab that's called motions and issues. And I'm going to go into it. And what it is basically a directory of the most common motion types or most common legal issues by state. So these are going to be matters that are filed in the state trial courts of the states listed here. And I like to think of them as little treatises, little primers on important information, basically everything you might need to know if you were to litigate a particular legal issue or to bring a common motion type. So let's jump into one just to show an example. This is the California False Claims Act, and I would go ahead and load the rest of the page here. What we do is we try and give you all the basic information. What's the legal threshold? Are there any discovery or timing requirements if you're bringing this particular legal issue or litigating? The other thing to know is that anywhere where you see highlighting, it is because it's the most commonly applied legal threshold in the jurisdiction that you're searching. That's what makes us special. One of the other things that makes us special and is different than any other treatise you might find is that we map to useful examples. So these are going to be examples of whatever the motion or legal issue is that you're researching and cases that are actively going on and dealing with that. So these are going to be rulings by judges where we think the judge has done a pretty good job of just a basic primer on the issue. And a little bit lower on the page, you'll be able to jump directly into documents dealing with the specific legal issue or motion type that you are researching. Now, if you come to our motions and issues page and you don't see the motion that you're looking for, you can always start to type in and narrow here. So let's say summary judgment will start to narrow me down. But if for some reason I start typing and there isn't the type of summary judgment motion that I'm looking for, it does not mean that we don't have it. It means that your best next option is to go back to the smart search and to do a search of the various terms right there.